Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a recipe that is less than 1 hour, delicious, easy to make, this lemon and herb recipe is absolutely delicious. Let me show you guys how to make it. To begin, we're going to start by making a quick marinade. I have about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter here. I'm going to add my dry seasoning. Let me mix that up together before I add it in because I'm using half of that for my veggies. So I'm going to add that in just like this. Save the rest for my veggies. I'm going in with about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Just like this. Also, we have some thyme, fresh thyme. A little bit of rosemary, not too much because if you add too much, it might make it bitter, okay? Also, I'm using a juice of a lemon. Ooh. Give that a mix just like this. I have 3 chicken quarters here. I'm going to slice them so the seasoning can go through the chicken and make it nice and juicy, of course. Next, I'm going to pour my marinade into my chicken just like this. Ooh, that looks really, really good. You can make this overnight, so season it, marinate it overnight, and then bake it the next day. But today we're just going to bake it because, ooh, we don't have time today, so that is perfect. I'm going to let this sit in the marinade while I cut my veggies. Now we're going to move on to our veggies. You can use pretty much any veggies of your choice. I'm using some potatoes and some asparagus. I cut them into 4 pieces just like this. Alrighty. Next, we're going to cut the asparagus. I like to cut the bottom. This part is a little hard. Just discard that part and just cut it like this. And like this. And these are already clean, if I didn't mention. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil just so we can coat them with the seasoning. You can do this in your baking dish, but I like to keep it nice and clean for you guys. So that's why. And your potatoes is ready. All right, guys, now it's time to place my chicken into my baking dish. I'm just gonna place them skin side up just like this. They are looking well seasoned. And then I'm going to place my potatoes, and they're just like that. I put the potato next to the chicken, that way all that sauce can just run into the potatoes. And also I'm going in with the asparagus. You can use broccoli for this as well. This is a quick dinner. You got the veggies, the carbs, and the protein, okay? I'm going to pour the remaining of that sauce all over the chicken. Okay, that's the butter. It's getting a little cold, that's why it's looking a little clumpy, but now I'm going to place some lemon slices right on top, and then we're going to bake it, okay? I'm going to bake it on 380 for about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, guys, our chicken is done. Yes, it is nice and juicy. You'll see this. Perfectly cooked. The skin is the best part, okay? Oof, oof, oof. There you go. Let's give it a try. Delicious, flavorful, a little lemony, not too much. The potato is delicious. It's a little crispy, soft on the inside. Everything about this dish is absolutely delicious, done in less than 1 hour. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. Please let me know what other veggies would you pair this with, and also give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.